Hi students, this is Mr. Sam here, and today we are going to see a small derivation, and the derivation is taken from the chapter Work, Energy and Power. Let's see how to derive. The expression that I am going to derive is the relation between momentum and kinetic energy. Right? You know what is momentum? Momentum is denoted by the letter P, which is equal to mass multiplied by velocity. Kinetic energy is denoted by Ke, which is equal to half mv square. Now I am going to relate P and Ke. Let me tell you how to relate the two. Take this expression, kinetic energy is equal to 1 by 2 mv square. Multiply by m and divide by m. So what you get, which is equal to 1 upon 2 multiply by m and divide by m into mv square by 1. Just multiply by m and divide by m so that the value of this expression doesn't change. Now this is equal to, I am going to club mv and mv. See, 1 by 2, keep it as such. Take one v from this v square and club it with this m. So mv multiplied by mv whole divided by m, this m. Now you know 1 by 2 multiplied by, what is mv? It is momentum P multiplied by P divided by m. So this is equal to 1 by 2 multiplied by P square by m. So what we get? We get kinetic energy is equal to 1 by 2 P square by m, or I can write P square is equal to, just bring this 2m to left, so 2m Ke, or you can write P is equal to square root of 2m Ke. This is the relation between momentum and kinetic energy. So if you know the mass and kinetic energy of a particle, you can calculate its momentum. But remember, this momentum will give you the magnitude but not the direction. Thank you students. Thank you for watching.